The good Muslim. She smiles, he smiles, they smile, we smile, let's all smile together. Because it's a charity, because it's a charity.
Happy New Year with that. Hey, what for you? Oh. Who? Who?
The good Muslim performs good deeds, gives a helping hand to those in need, has respect for his family, for his friends and the elderly, loves for his brothers, loves for himself. Enjoys what is right, forbids what is wrong. The good Muslim, the good Muslim, the good Muslim, the good Muslim, the good Muslim. Loves for his brothers, loves for himself.
One for kids. Check out the new range of fun and educational Zaky and Friends products your children will love. The all-new Sing Along with Zaky toy and lyric book. The Kazwa and Bilal talking toys. The brand new Zaky Bedtime pillow. The iconic talking and singing Zaky toy. The new Zaky Ramadan show bag. And the new Zaky show bag. Soft and cuddly plush toys and much more. Our products are designed to keep your children entertained while helping them learn about their deen in a fun and interactive way. Shop now at shop.oneforkids.net or visit our Amazon store www.oneforkidsamazon.com. We thank you all for your support.
Introducing the One for Kids TV app. Have peace of mind knowing that all content in the app is carefully crafted to be safe, educational, and in line with Islamic principles. It's an environment where your children can learn, grow, and have fun in a wholesome and enriching way. Download the One for Kids TV app now from the Apple, Google, and Amazon stores today.